Hi everyone, in this video you are going to be learning how to import your products from your WooCommerce store to your Bumpa store. So it's very easy. You just need to go to your product page first of all, and you're going to be exporting your products from WooCommerce into a CSV file. So you tick all the products you want to export and then you click on the export button. Or you can also export this to export all of them, and then you can select all the columns. You would want to leave this as export all columns, export all products, and export all categories so that it will import properly into your Bumpa store. Click on generate CSV and your CSV file will be generated for you. Then you would go to your Bumpa store and then you go to your product page. Then you click on import products, new imports. You select WooCommerce and you're going to be uploading the file that you just exported from your WooCommerce store. Then there's an option here to select your publishing status, and the statuses mean for publish all, it means that all the products that are in your WooCommerce store that you have brought into Bumpa will be published. If you click on unpublish, they will not be published. They will not be seen on the storefront until you explicitly do that. Or you can use the status from the WooCommerce store, because some of them might be in draft or some of them might be published from where you are coming from, which is WooCommerce. For now, I'm going to leave it in unpublished so that they will all remain in draft mode. Then you can click on continue. When you click on continue, your product import will start automatically. And this is the latest imports that we have from WooCommerce. I'm just going to refresh it. You can see the images are downloading in real time, and after some time it's going to be 12/12 images. So I can refresh and yeah, it's complete. So I can click on this WooCommerce exports and then I can see all my products that were in my WooCommerce store and now in my Bumpa store. You also have the collections and the variations, the price and everything that was set on your WooCommerce store are all appearing in your Bumpa store. From here you can bulk edit or you can publish all of them directly into your storefront. Thank you.